all know that we have limitations in our body. Our hips are a little more tighter, shoulder doesn't open so much. How do you understand the limitation of your body but still find that freedom, find that ease to move? Lyrical Yoga is a blend of yoga and dance. It focuses on the micro movements and the transition from one posture to another. So you learn some techniques like release technique that really helps you understand the limitation of your body, but yet you find the natural rhythm that is there in your body. You can find the openness and freedom in your body. We also work a lot on the foundation that will really help you understand how do you engage and control your body. But at the same time, we are also looking at how can you surrender, how can you let go of yourself. It's a right blend of when to hold, when to control, and when to let go. And the whole process of consciously and constantly being aware of yourself while you're practicing makes the journey very much inward, and it feels like you are into this moving meditation. These days the mornings are getting busier because there's so many people who are coming to teach, so my morning schedules are completely packed. And because of that, sometimes I don't get much time to prepare the breakfast. I have to start my day with fruit because I feel that when I have fruits in the morning, it's just so good for my stomach.
This would be perfect for that. It's called overnight oats. Okay. You can do it from the night before. Okay. As soon as you're hungry, it's just there, it's ready in the fridge, it's cool, and you're just ready to go.
Oh, that's perfect. Really.
Like I said, we're gonna make two different ones.
Yeah.
So one is a bit more like dessert for breakfast kind of thing, and the other one is more fruity. So you've got like half a cup of oats in each. And then this is almond milk, but you can also use coconut milk, cashew milk, oat milk.
Oh.
If you really don't like nut milk, you can also just use water.
Okay. Oh.
So stir it all in. And we can put a little jaggery liquid in to see whether you like it a little sweeter.
Okay. You know what? This is like a win-win for me because I am a dessert person. I love dessert.
This one is going to be a little fresher. Put a tiny bit of lemon. You feel like, oh, it won't go with the milk and it will be weird. It just makes it a little fresher. And we can put a little jaggery in here also. It's already coming together a little bit.
Yes.
The milk is getting creamier and the oats are getting softer. So it's been in there for all of 2 minutes already.
Yeah.
And what we'll do now is just leave them to soak. So you can do this before you start the yoga class, your yoga teaching in the morning, and keep it in the fridge. It doesn't need to be actually overnight.
Yeah. I always see so much of sattva in your food because the way you make the food, the way you feed and nourish people with it, it's just you can just see that love moving.
You do your base, you forget about it, and then at the end you get creative.
Interesting.
Creativity is for me why I love cooking, like just deciding where to place things.
Yeah. Okay, I'm so excited to just take a bite.
When we connect with our body and when also we connect with our food, like when we actually think about what we're eating, it becomes a lot more natural to eat well, whole foods which you can understand where they came from, what they are. With the practice of yoga, like when you take me through the lyrical yoga thing, I really do feel the benefit. Like I feel like I've actually connected with my body and
that whole idea of being with yourself, with that whole art, and then few of the techniques that's helping you not let your mind wander.
Yeah.
I think that is what you can feel through the whole practice, isn't that connection to yourself?
100%.